honest. How many times have you hovered over your ex's name at 2 a.m.? Ready to text, I miss you. Here's a brutal truth. You don't really miss them. You miss the version of you that existed when you were with them. The comfort, the laughter, the illusion of what could have been, which never happened. Most breakups don't just hurt because love is gone. They hurt because closure never came. Maybe you never had that raw conversation. Maybe you kept pretending you were fine while secretly replaying highlight reels in your head about the relationship. But here's a catch. Reaching out doesn't always heal. Sometimes it gives closure, but more often it reopens wounds. The relationship already gave everything it was meant to give, so there was nothing to give anymore. So pause. Ask yourself this. Do I really miss them, or do I miss the version of me I haven't fully healed yet? That is where your power lies, in healing, not reaching back to your exes. Now, be real with yourself. If your ex texted you right now, will you answer? Drop your answer in the comment section. And if you love raw conversation like this, hit the like button and follow us for more. Let's heal and grow together. Ciao.